Good morning all. We're going to take, or at least try to take, I've never taken the buttstock off of this rifle. We're going to try to take the buttstock off of this rifle so we can see the hammer spring. Now there's two Phillips wood screws right here. There's the top one. There's the bottom one. Now, down inside here is a screw, and that screw, according to the illustrated parts breakdown, the IPB in the manual, runs through the buttstock into the rear of the receiver. Now, I'm going to use this 1/2-inch socket to remove that screw, hopefully. That should be it. Yes, we are in. Let's see what that screw looks like, if it'll come out. There it is right there. Now it's got a slot for a screwdriver, but we can get more torque with that 1/2-inch socket. Let's take a look at what's inside. Now here's the tank safety. Let's talk about that for a little bit. It's the first time I've ever seen it. There's the fire position. There's the safe position. Let's turn it over so we can see the other side. Now here is the safety. We're in the safe position, and there's a post that rides in this notch right here of the hammer. It prevents the firing pin from moving forward and striking the transfer bar, which strikes the firing pin. Now if we put it in the fire position, we can see that the post is moved away from the hammer, and now that hammer is free to move fully forward. That's nice. Here's the strut and the hammer spring. Now the strut looks like it forks in two different directions on the end. One pushes up on the hammer, and the other goes in, but I'm not sure what function it performs because I can't see what it's going to strike against. Spring looks to be in good condition. No problems there. I say this section of the firearm looks to be in really good shape. Wish I could see where the other end of this strut goes to. You can see one end branches up to push the hammer forward. But I wonder what this end of the strut is doing down here. I can't see up into the receiver to find out what that's doing. I'll have to take a look at the illustrated parts breakdown again. Maybe that can clue me in as to what that bottom side of the strut is doing. Let's put it back together. I just snug these down. Don't want to go too far and strip that wood out. There we go. We got to see the back end of our rifle. Never done that before. Thanks all for watching. We'll see you next time.